Berita seputar perang, politik hingga penyakit terbaru sering membuat orang stres. Tapi pada saat yang sama orang kadang bisa terpaku memandang media sosial, membaca satu persatu berita tak menyenangkan. Mengapa hal ini bisa terjadi dan bagaimana mengatasi bertambahnya stres? Laporan tim VOA dari Washington DC berikut, sekaligus mengakhiri CNN Indonesia New Day hari ini, saya Yudi Yudawan pamit undur diri, sampai jumpa.
Membaca satu persatu berita menyedihkan atau membuat cemas. Kebiasaan ini sejak pandemi COVID dikenal sebagai doom scrolling, menatap layar sambil terus berperasaan negatif.
Doom scrolling is this idea that we oftentimes will, keep scrolling, literally, social media sites, news sites for negative, that are negative on topics like, politics or medical situations, etc. And it's almost like we have this compulsive, we can't stop, right?
Pengamat mencermati kegiatan seperti ini secara neurologis tak banyak berbeda dari aktivitas lain yang bisa menimbulkan ketagihan.
We actually know now that what's happening is that dopamine, right? They used to think like, oh, dopamine makes us feel good. And every time we scroll or new information comes up, we get a hit of dopamine. We actually know that it's not pleasurable, right? Oftentimes we want to stop. We just can't. So that dopamine actually makes that the compulsion, like the need to keep doing it, but it's not pleasurable.
Solusinya, batasi waktu membaca media sosial dengan memanfaatkan aplikasi atau notifikasi dari ponsel.
Bila diibaratkan mesin, para ahli mengatakan bahwa perangkat keras otak manusia tak banyak berubah selama jutaan tahun. Tapi dengan adanya media sosial yang bisa diakses lewat ponsel, maka perangkat keras maupun perangkat lunak manusia akhirnya dihadapkan pada stimulasi bertubi-tubi 24 jam sehari, 7 hari seminggu.
Ahli kesehatan mental menyarankan alihkan energi ke kegiatan lebih konstruktif.
What are the things that make you feel like yourself? In therapy, we would call this grounding exercises or grounding activities. So things that are not related to the news or the media, but make you feel more complete. If that's spending time out in nature, if that's engaging in creative or expressive things, if that's drawing, if that's cooking, if that's spending time with people that you care about and your community, those are different ways that you can help mitigate some of the stress that you might be feeling.
Bagi warga Virginia ini, pelarian positifnya adalah menjadi relawan untuk membersihkan alam sekitar.
I think the last few years, especially since COVID, people are more aware about the harms of social media. And I know I've deleted social media from my phone a number of times, and sometimes I'll re-download it and then delete it again when I feel like I'm spending too much time there. And I know I have a lot of friends who do that.
Lalu bagi warga California ini, kegiatan positif pelepas stres adalah berselancar.